The Remarkable Journey of Warren Buffett. From 114 to billions. Once upon a time, in a quiet neighborhood in Omaha, Nebraska, a young boy named Warren Buffett was growing up. At the tender age of 11, he stumbled upon a world that would forever change his life. The world of investing. Chapter 1. A small seed of curiosity. Young Warren was not your typical 11-year-old. While others were playing games, he was reading the Wall Street Journal. His fascination with numbers and finance led him to a random stock listing, and a lightbulb moment ensued. He realized that by investing in companies, he could make his money work for him. Chapter 2. The $114 Start. Warren was determined to put his newfound knowledge to the test. With $114 he had saved up, he bought his first shares. These shares came from his father's small brokerage in a furniture store. This humble beginning marked the birth of a legendary journey. Chapter 3. Patient Growth. Warren's investments were not about quick riches. They were about patience and the long game. He adopted the strategy of value investing, focusing on the underlying value of companies. He didn't care about market fluctuations. He cared about the businesses he invested in. Chapter 4. Berkshire Hathaway. As Warren honed his skills, he decided to buy a textile company called Berkshire Hathaway. Little did he know that this textile company would eventually become the cornerstone of his empire. He continued to buy more shares, taking control of the company. Chapter 5. The $1,000 to $1 million story. By the age of 30, Warren had turned his initial $114 investment into a significant fortune. His partnership, Buffett Partnership Limited, had grown immensely. An initial investment of $1,000 with Warren in 1956 would have turned into over $1 million by 1969, an incredible feat. Chapter 6. The Oracle of Omaha. Warren's reputation as a wise investor grew, earning him the nickname the Oracle of Omaha. His investment in Coca-Cola in the 1980s is a famous example of his savvy choices. He saw the potential when others didn't. Chapter 7. Becoming a Billionaire. As the years passed, Warren's wealth continued to soar. By the late 20th century, he was consistently ranked among the world's richest individuals. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, became a conglomerate with investments in various industries, from insurance to railroads. Chapter 8. Giving back. Warren Buffett made a historic pledge to donate the majority of his fortune to charity. His commitment to philanthropy is an integral part of his legacy. Chapter 9. An evergreen legacy. Today, Warren Buffett is one of the most influential and respected investors in history. His journey from a curious 11-year-old with $114 to a billionaire investor is a testament to the power of knowledge, patience, and a long-term vision. Warren Buffett's story teaches us that anyone, regardless of their background, can become a successful investor with dedication, learning, and a willingness to play the long game. His life is a true inspiration, and his legacy continues to shape the world of finance. Remember, the path to financial success is not about instant wealth. It's about the steady, informed, and patient pursuit of your financial dreams. Just like Warren, you too can start small and dream big.